Hey y'all, my name is Grady. I'm the owner of Sasquatch Tables LLC. Just wanted to bring y'all along today and show y'all around our shop, as well as let you see the process of us making a river table using black walnut slabs, and we'll also weld up a metal base for it. So let's get started. So real quick before we get started, just a quick walk around in the shop here. This is my favorite tool here. This is what makes all our wood and tables flat. So it's very nice to have. It's basically like having a 6-foot wide planer. So it is an awesome machine. Here's the table we're actually in the middle of working on today. So y'all actually get to see this one, hopefully in all stages. But we've got, it's about 9 feet long here, 4 feet wide. Black walnut slabs, really, I guess rustic slabs, which is code for crappy. But we actually specialize in using lumber like this because there's not much else you can do with this. There's all sorts of cracks and just really crazy shape to it. But it should turn out an awesome river table. We've got our Shop Fox joiner here. It's actually a parallelogram joiner. It does really good work. Makes easy work of glue ups. And then we've got our planer. Grizzly planer, 20 inches wide. Doesn't get used much now that we have our slab master over there. So that's about it. And we'll move on and kind of show y'all the processes we do, making these tables. Just the height. Yeah. Alrighty, so we're waiting for the 5-minute epoxy to dry. Once that is dry, we're gonna finish sand and actually apply the finish on this table. What we'll be using is a hard wax oil called Rubio Monocoat. Very popular for these types of tables, and we really like it here. It's a hard wax oil, which means it's actually going to penetrate the wood and not be a film finish, something coating the wood like some sort of plastic or poly or anything like that. So when the table is finished, you're actually going to be able to feel the wood itself, and it also provides pretty good water protection.
Hey, my name is Becca. I'm Grady's sister. I specialize in sanding and finishing the tables and making sure the finished table looks absolutely perfect.
Hey y'all, my name is Emily Norton. I'm Grady's wife. I specialize in color schemes, design aspects, laser engraving, and general customizations.
Morning! This is Ray the welder for Sasquatch Tables. Today we're going to show you a little bit about how we make our table bases and then how we weld them up. This will be the welder we're using. It's a Ultimate 200 titanium welder. We use it mostly for MIG welding. We'll start off with, very quickly, over here we have the different types of metal for this particular base. We're going to be building a spider base for this table. We'll walk through the process very quickly in several steps, but just as a top overview, we'll be using our Grizzly 0561 cutter, a bandsaw cutter to cut the metal. We'll also be using our metal cutting Evo circle saw over here. And then of course we'll be putting it together in our jigs to set it all up and then weld it together, grind it, make it pretty, and then get it powder coated. This is Ray the welder. We'll be showing you the steps.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
And we'll see you on the next video.